In this video we will learn how to approve or reject employee transfer request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Employee module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Employee Approval Form. Here you can see all the filters for selection criteria of approvals. Request Type drop-down shows all types of requests that can be viewed. Select Employee Transfer from drop-down. In the grid below you can see list of requests. Requester details, request type, status and detail of requests can be seen in grid. You can either approve or reject any request and enter comments. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.